Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now let's look at working with a chart in Word. Now, a chart is a tool that you can use to communicate information graphically. And to insert a chart, place the insertion point where you want the chart to appear. So I'll place mine over here. Then navigate to the Insert tab and click the chart command, this one. Then a dialog box will appear, like that is the one I have over here. To view your options, choose the chart type from the left pane, then browse the charts on the right. So if you want a column chart, you can choose it from the left pane, then look at the options you have from the right. If you want a line chart, pie chart, bar chart, you can choose whichever you want, then choose the desired format you want from over here. So I'll go with column, then I'll go with the first choice, then click OK. Then a chart and spreadsheet window will appear. Now the text in the spreadsheet is merely a placeholder that you'll need to replace with your own source data. Now you can enter your source data into the spreadsheet or whatever you want to add there. And then once you're done, you can close it. You can click on this icon to close it. Then you can also drag on this to add more info or to reduce it. So you can manipulate it however you want. So I'll make mine smaller, but you can enlargen it or you can make it a bit smaller if you want to. So you can add more data from here and you can reduce depending on which data or what kind of data you're using. Then once you're done, click on this to close that spreadsheet window. Then your chart will appear on your document. The chart will be complete. And if you want to edit your chart again, maybe you want to add some more data or reduce, click select the chart, then under Design tab, click Edit Data command, and the spreadsheet will appear again. And then from here you can make your changes and then close it, and the chart will be completed once again. Now you can also create a chart with existing Excel data. Now if you already have data in an existing Excel file that you like to use in Word, you can copy and paste it instead of entering it by hand. So just open the spreadsheet in Excel, copy the data, then paste it as the source data in Word. Now let's look at modifying charts in Word with chart tools. Now one, you can switch row and column data. To do that, select the chart, then under Design tab, click Edit Data command, then reselect the chart again. So click on the chart again to reselect it, then click the switch row column command. Okay, so let me redo that. Reselect the chart, click on the Edit Data command, then reselect the chart again, then click on the switch row column command, and it will switch your row and column data. And once you're done, click on this to close, and then you've made your changes. Now you can also change the chart type. You can also change the chart types. Let's say if you find that your chosen chart type isn't suited to your data, you can change it to a different one. Now to do this, select the chart you want to change. So I'll work with this. Then under Design tab, click the Change Chart Type command. Now from here you can choose the other chart type that you want. So I'll go for a line chart, then click OK. And as you can see now, a new chart type will be applied. You can also change the chart layout. So again, select the chart. So mine is already selected. Then under Design tab, click the Quick Layout command over here. Then you can choose from these options over here how you want your chart to look like. You can choose any one that you want. So I'll go with this one. And the chart will update to reflect the new layout. Now you can also change the chart style. So again, select this chart that you want to modify. Then under Design tab, we have this group known as Chart Styles, called Chart Style. Then click on the More drop-down arrow over here. Then select the chart style that you want, whichever. Then just click on it. If you hover over them, they'll give you a preview of how it will look like. Then you can choose the one that you want to work with, and the chart style will be applied. Now, for even faster customization, use the formatting shortcuts to the right of your chart. These ones over here. So like this one will help you change the layout options. This one will help you change the chart elements. This one will work on the chart styles, while this one works on the chart filters. So it makes customizing it very easy.